My Kohler toilet will all of a sudden start to make a loud high-pitched whistle sound. If we flush the toilet, the noise will stop, but after a while will start back up. What part needs to be replaced?
Welcome to Just Answer. I will do my best to fully answer your questions. It's time to replace the entire fill valve itself. About $12. Very simple part to replace. I recommend a brand called Fluidmaster Model 400A. The shutoff that is supposed to close completely when tank is full is either corroded, deteriorated, or has some sediment buildup. Either way, a replacement is the best long-term solution. Instructions on how to do the replacement come with the valve. All you will need is a screwdriver and a medium-sized pliers, or channel locks, works best.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.